ACG Studios, back with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the latest version of Planet MMA or MMA on Demand. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, well, the first thing you do is press your little settings wheel. Now you want to go down and click on File Manager. Now you want to click on Add Source. Now you want to click on None and type in the following. Okay, once you have this typed in, press OK. Okay, now where it says enter name for this media source, click on that and rename it Super. When you have that done, press OK. Now, press OK. Now you want to go back again. Now you want to go down and click on Add-ons. Now you want to click on your little downloader box in the top left hand corner and click on Install from Zip File. Now you want to go down and click on Super. Now click on repository.supremacy 1.5. Now click on repository.supremacy 1.5.zip and let that install. Okay, that's installed. Now go to Install from Repository. Now you want to go down to Supremacy and click on Supremacy. Now click on Video Add-ons. Now you want to go and scroll down until you see Planet MMA. Now press Install. If this pops up, click on version 3.7, Supremacy. Okay, it's installed. Now you want to go back. Go back again. Now you want to go down till you see Planet MMA. Click on that. Okay, now you want to click the little red arrow at the bottom, click it again, and there you go. Your MMA on Demand has been installed, and I'm going to prove to you guys that this works. UFC on Fox. And go to Lawler versus Dos Anjos. Then I'm going to go down and click on Main Card HQ2. That's usually the best one.
welterweight division has been a concentration of sheer power, where true contenders rise, where lethal meets potent.
Okay, your MMA on demand has been installed. Thank you guys for watching my video. If this helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below. If this works for you, let me know. If it doesn't work for you, let me know and comment in the comment section below any questions that you may have, and I will answer them. Thank you guys again for watching my video, and have a great day.
Kiss me with your eyes open.